The craft of creating pens and mechanical pencils with bodies made from figured stock or exotic species of wood blanks can be pricey yet rewarding. Instead of fumbling around with a combination square or a large-scale center finding tool not designed for the task, why not use a tool that provides the precision your next one-of-a-kind pen deserves? Woodpeckers Pen Blank Center Finder is designed to make a turner's first critical layout task easier and more accurate than you ever thought possible. The Pen Blank Center Finder will work on round or rectangular blanks up to 1 1/4 inches in thickness or diameter. CNC machined to exacting tolerances, this little tool will make a big difference in your pen and pencil production. The rigid right-angle registration surfaces enable you to grip the jig and workpiece firmly together with one hand, freeing your opposite hand for marking. Now turn the blank one turn or 45 degrees and make a second mark, and you'll find dead center of your blank every time. It's that easy. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, Woodpecker's new Pen Blank Center Finder is manufactured in our shop just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.